If you're tired of riding with uncomfortable or unsafe footwear, it might be time to upgrade. That's where motorcycle boots come in. Not only do they protect you on the road, but they also keep you looking stylish while riding. But with so many options available, it can be tough to pick the right pair. That's why in this video, I'll be going over the 8 best motorcycle boots to keep you safe and stylish on every ride. Whether you're looking for adventure boots or stylish ones for tours or daily use, there's something on my list for you. All the links to find the best prices will be in the description below. Also, the motorcycle boots mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay till the end to see which one suits you best. Number 8 is the Kimimoto motorcycle shoes. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list. These are short riding shoes that focus on the basics like protection in the key impact zones, a solid sole for grip, and easy on-off. The toe area has a reinforced shift pad to handle constant gear changes without wearing out fast. The heel has a thickened polyvinyl chloride protection layer to help with abrasion if the shoe drags, and around the ankle, there's built-in protective material to add stability. Plus, a side zipper with durable YKK hardware makes it quick to put on and take off, and there's a protected zone behind the zipper so it does not rub. Now, the tongue has a smart lace storage pocket, so loose laces do not catch on pegs or the chain. At the back of the ankle, reflective strips add visibility at night. Another thing I like is that the insole has high-rebound ethylene vinyl acetate foam. It cushions steps and shapes to your foot over time. Also, the rubber outsole is made to be grippy on pegs and sidewalks. Overall, if you're looking for affordable motorcycle boots that are safe and tough, this is a solid option for you. Number 7 is the Fox Racing Motion X Off-Road Boot. This is the best off-road motorcycle boots on our list. These are built to take hits from rocks, ruts, and hard landings. The upper part of the boots is made of microfiber synthetic leather, which keeps weight down but stays tough. The slim inner shape keeps close contact with the bike, and the Duratac burn guards provide added grip on the frame and protection against heat. The low-ride chassis brings your foot closer to the peg, giving you a better feel of the bike. The slim toe box helps make shifting smoother and more precise. Another thing I like is the protection they offer. They have a thermoplastic polyurethane shin plate, toe cap, heel cap, and calf guard that wrap the lower leg. The composite nylon fiberglass cuff locks the ankle in place, and the patented hinge lockout stops motion before hyperextension, which is key in sudden dabs or awkward landings. Under the foot, the composite nylon fiberglass insole board teams up with an anti-shock pad at the heel to reduce impacts from big hits. The outsole has Fox's Duratac rubber for grip and long wear, and both the outsole and the sole insert are replaceable. Now, inside the boots, there's an air mesh liner that helps airflow and is treated to reduce odor. The molded ethylene vinyl acetate footbed adds comfort for long days. Plus, the waterproof membrane helps keep water out when you run through puddles or mud. Another great feature is the new patented buckle system that gives a secure lock and an even fit around the leg. Overall, if you're looking for off-road motorcycle boots that keep you safe when the trail gets rough and fast, this one is the best pick for you. Number 6 is the Alpine Stars Corozal. This is the best adventure motorcycle boots on our list. The outer of the boots is made of polyurethane-coated leather, microfiber, and suede. That blend keeps them durable, but also more comfortable than a stiff plastic shell. The front and rear accordion flex zones allow easy movement on the pegs and more natural walking at stops. Inside, the DryStar breathable membrane blocks water while letting heat escape, which helps on long rides. Now, these boots have an internal high-modulus polyamide insole with a steel shank that supports your arch when standing on the pegs, and the lightweight polymer shin plate plus lateral ankle protection with a biomechanical link between the upper and lower boot keep your ankle protected, plus the hidden toe and heel counters are tucked in for extra safety. Another thing I like is the padding. The dual-density ankle discs give extra padding, and the textured suede panel on the inner side improves grip on the bike and resists engine heat. Another great feature is the buckle closure system. It uses strong thermoplastic buckles with glass fiber reinforced nylon levers. They have a micro ratchet memory and quick release, so once you set your fit, it stays consistent every day. Plus, a top hook and loop strap lets you fine-tune the calf for comfort. The midsole is made of molded polyurethane foam, which keeps weight down without losing support. The outsole is made of Alpine Star's exclusive vulcanized rubber, designed for grip on both dirt and pavement. Plus, the removable anatomic footbed has EVA foam and Lycra for extra cushioning. Overall, if you're looking for adventure boots that let you switch from highway to fire road safely, this one is the best option for you. Number 5 is the Fox Racing Defend ADV boots. This is the best BOA adventure option on our list. These adventure boots give you fast, even fit, and serious weather protection. The upper part has Gore-Tex, which blocks water while still letting moisture escape. The BOA Fit system is another great feature. It lets you dial in snug pressure with one hand and release it in seconds, which is way quicker than fussing with buckles. For protection, the tongue and ankle have D3O foam. This material stiffens on impact but stays flexible while you ride, so you don't feel restricted. And underfoot, there's a custom-molded ethylene vinyl acetate midsole, along with an anti-shock sock liner that adds cushion for long days in the saddle. Another thing I like is the way the sole is tuned. The patented composite nylon fiberglass insole board gives stability at the heel, but flexes at the ball of the foot to make shifting and braking smoother. An injection-molded thermoplastic polyurethane heel counter adds extra protection at the back. The UltraTac outsole is built for peg feel and grip on wet ground. Inside, an air mesh liner helps airflow and is treated to control odor, so things stay fresher. Plus, the reflective trim on the back improves night visibility. Overall, if you're looking for BOA adventure boots that offer you a balance of comfort, protection, and a quick fit, this one is the best option for you. And if you want to know the latest prices of the motorcycle boots discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're having a good time watching this video, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. Number 4 is the Danner Moto Wedge GTX. This is the best city motorcycle boots on our list. This pair blends classic style with real riding tech. The upper is full-grain leather with the strongest cut, and Danner tests it thoroughly before use. The leather is extra thick for durability, and inside there's a Gore-Tex liner that blocks rain but still lets the heat escape. Now, for impact protection, the ankle uses D3O foam that absorbs side hits without making the boot bulky. The toe cap is reinforced and double-stitched for shifting wear, and a medial shift guard adds another leather layer where it matters most. Plus, the cushioned polyurethane footbed has perforations to improve airflow and drainage. Another thing I like is the sole. The Danner Wedge outsole is oil-resistant, slip-resistant, and non-marking, with a softer compound that feels great on concrete and wood floors. If you want more edge bite, some versions swap in a Vibram Kletter lift outsole with Mega Grip. Plus, the stitch-down construction makes the platform wider and more stable, and it also lets Danner recraft the boot through Rizzoli, restitch, and refresh so you can extend its life. Overall, if you're looking for motorcycle boots to ride on city roads while staying stylish, this one is the best option for you. Number 3 is the Jusen motorcycle boot. This is the best stylish everyday riding boot on our list. This is a clean chukka-style boot that works both on rides and in regular life. The collar has thick padding to wrap the ankle in comfort. You can set the fit with laces once, then just use the inner side zipper for quick on and off. The leather upper gives it a dressed look that works at the office or even at dinner. Inside, a soft lining and cushioned insole keep things comfortable for all-day wear. The rubber outsole has a non-slip pattern that grips wet sidewalks and metal pegs. Another thing I like is waterproof calfskin leather, which gives light rain protection. And the padded ankle and secure hold make riding safe. Though it doesn't pack a hard shin plate or steel shank like adventure boots, it stays lighter and easier to walk in, and you can use them in commuting, casual days, and semi-formal events without being pet about the motorcycle gear. Overall, if you're a daily rider who values style first but still wants better grip and stability than regular dress shoes, this one is the best option for you. Number 2 is the Tourmaster Trailblazer boot. This is the best value touring boot on our list. It has a Hypora 3-layer membrane that blocks rain while still letting heat out. The upper part is a mixture of abrasion-resistant Italian microfiber and suede, and the reinforced toe and a shifter guard handle daily gear changes. Another great feature is the billowed flex panels on up front and back that give more natural movement on and off the bike. And the breathable mesh lining helps keep feet cooler on long days. When it comes to fitting, 2 motocross-style buckles lock the lower foot, and a top hook and loop strap adjusts the calf opening for different pant cuffs. Another thing I like is the protection. The Trailblazer uses Techno-GI thermoplastic molded heel cups and toe caps, plus dual-density ankle protectors on both sides. Plus, the unidirectional anti-twist nylon midsole helps stop the boot from twisting in a crash, and the heavy-duty lugged outsole grips dirt, gravel, and wet pavement. Overall, if you're looking for touring boots that offer a balance of structure, weather control, and traction, this is the best value option on our list. Number 1 is the TCX Drifter. This is the best overall motorcycle boot on our list. It's an adventure boot that mixes vintage build with serious protection. The upper part is made of full-grain leather with a classic pull-up finish and microfiber bellows at the front and rear to flex at the ankle. And the TDI waterproof membrane keeps rain out for all-season use. The impact zones are covered with a polyurethane shin plate, reinforced toe and heel, and malleolus inserts at the ankles. And the leather shift pad protects the forefoot, while a suede heat guard on the inner side adds grip and shields from engine warmth. The closure system is rugged too. It uses 3 aluminum 6060 buckles with micro-adjust and glove-friendly action, along with a top hook and loop collar to seal out dirt. Another thing I like is that the sole has double-stitched construction with an intermediate insole for strength, while the rubber outsole has deep lugs and grooves for traction on mud, gravel, and pavement. Inside the boot, the Ortho-Lite footbed cushions steps and breathes well, and reflective inserts improve night visibility. Overall, if you want one boot to handle touring, dirt roads, and still feel steady on foot, this one is the overall best option to buy. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect motorcycle boots for you. And if you guys found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. If you find motorcycle boots you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each model. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.